Road's closed, bro.
Yeah. Watch it. I'm gonna go get 1 or 2 more signs because I knew this problem right here was gonna happen. They're not even gonna see it. Look, they're just gonna hit that turn lane over and over and over and over again. It's gonna piss me off. Yeah, you had to turn around because the sign was here, bud. It's been a long Monday, Tuesday. It's Tuesday after Labor Day. Sarah and I are taking a slight vacation. More than a little slight, but 10 years married this month, and I'm very excited to be able to say that. And I'm getting prepared. In order for me to get prepared, I've got to handle business here. I started 5 o'clock at the office this morning, and that's not like rolling out of bed. I was out of bed before 4:30, and I was at the office at 5, starting rolling through emails, just trying to schedule. Manhole, existing manhole. You can see here, let me get in the cut line here. You can see where Ismael and Marcos just made 2 beautiful cuts right through here to the existing manhole. You see Zeus messing with the laser right now, trying to get a shot on the manhole and where the core is per the plans. So he's setting up, getting his rim elevation, making sure his rim elevation's on to what the engineer has told us. And then he's gonna go ahead and get his shot, proposed shot, for the core flow line of the manhole. I'm sorry, it's been a really long day. It is time check 9:30 at night, and I ate dinner with my family, and that was it. So give me just a little bit of a break. Punching into that manhole, there's a flow line, which is the bottom of that pipe. Obviously some math there for the thickness of pipe. But getting that punched in to that manhole, he's got a shot from the rim to the proposed on the plans. Got that. And now they're gonna start digging. They're getting ready to start digging. They put the old Husqvarna K770s. Let me tell you something, if you got a steel 420, throw that son of a in the trash and go get you a K770 Husqvarna, because we shut down the road about an hour ago, fully shut down, and these suckers already got it cut, gone. Ishmael's already got us a piece of asphalt, rock barred out of the way, ready for the Traco to come in, start yanking. Like literally, you couldn't ask for more. Job number 1 today is get dug down to the proposed depth, get this all excavated. We've got a 40-inch, I think just a little past 36-inch ditch. Ishmael and Marcos are getting set up. We're gonna go ahead and start excavating, putting the material behind us. He's gonna move it with the backhoe. From there, number 1 job, get dug tonight. We're not coring the manhole, tomorrow. I wanna say at 10 p.m. this time, 24 hours from now, we'll be coring into the manhole and getting our pipe set, backfilling, getting everything gravel based up, and then we've got asphalt set up for Thursday night. Just got the 36-inch bucket. Look at that 138, what a sexy.
Es homo.
That's concrete.
Yeah.
What are they protecting? All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock now. I still haven't gone home. I was kind of afraid we'd hit something in this old road. Look at that. Ran into a 4 or 5 foot section of concrete here that we're having to dig underneath. And we think it's old and abandoned. I need to know that though. Schedule relies too closely on this thing going correctly. So I knew we were going to run into something in the middle of this road. Well, we found it. Also found a storm drain that wasn't marked. So here we go. Here we go. I got to figure out all this information so I can keyboard warrior first thing in the morning. Keep this thing online tomorrow night. hard hat. Looks like mine. Happy Halloween. Coming at you guys. Dropping you some new merch. We've been hitting that night work on. We've been running that graveyard shift. Thought it was fitting. Pick you one up. merch.syconexe.com or hit syconexe.com and hit the merch link and it's all right there. Hit it up. So behind me, you guys have gotten to witness pretty much all of our work at night. We ran 100, 200 feet of very flat sewer service on this job. The last little tiny item we got to do is get asphalt in all of this, get it rolled. We got our rollers just showed up on site, and basically asphalt will be here within the next 45 minutes, 30, 45 minutes is what we're waiting on. It looks like we got a bunch of guys standing around with their thumbs up their butt. We kind of do, but guess what? It's because we did our job so well. We're prepared, ready to go. All inspections passed. Everything's ready to go. We need to dump asphalt, get it spread, and rock on. Basically, we're having to lift the plates off, get them ready. We've got two guys flagging traffic. We're gonna jump and just gang up on this thing. It's not that big of a deal, but it can be that big of a deal with the amount of traffic that we've got. We're gonna have 5 or 6 shovels, whacking it, getting it level, getting a roller on it, and get her done. So, pretty excited about that. Appreciate you guys watching. Seriously, you guys are we're watching us finish up what was part of digging out in the middle of the road. We could have done the asphalt at night. Coordination inspections kind of wavered that, so we got that done. We picked 9 a.m. for 9:30 for the best optimal position to fight the traffic going both ways. We're in a major collector right here, but you can tell we got this beautiful asphalt mat down, ready to stay in position for years and years and years to come. So every time we drive over it, I get to smile a little bit, you know, and it's one of those pride things, being the blue collar. It's probably not the most glorious work, but man, is it the most fulfilling ever. I get to drive this road every single night with my kids or going to get something to eat, drive over it. No, we did it. So it's kind of cool. I really appreciate you guys hanging out for this video. For the entire night work video is definitely something different for us. Man, it would have been so funny if he ate right there. Sorry, if you're going through construction zones, for the love of God, just slow down. Don't be that. Don't be douchebag, douche canoe, Chotch Perry #1, okay? Don't be that guy. We know you're on a motorcycle, bruh. We can see you on a motorcycle. We heard you for half a mile. We need to blah, blah, right through our work. Thanks. Anyhow, we had both Dakota and Jesus' crew over here today. We really stacked up. We needed to take care of traffic control. We needed to take care of getting the asphalt down. And I don't know if you guys know this, but that asphalt comes out of the truck at about 400 degrees. Comes straight from the plant, like to the touch. I still have some from touching it, right? As it cools down, it gets harder. You roll it into place, you cool it down, roll it into place, cool it down. It don't move after that, but it comes to the job site hot, so you gotta move very quickly. Going about as successful as it could. Hated that we got the little detour with the engineer and the storm drain, but man, the guys made the most of it. Fixing to get on to better and better things. It's 11 o'clock and we just, on a Monday, and we just finished a job for the month. That makes me ecstatic. These guys get to move on and move on to different things.